I made some very cute Valentine foil tags, and I will show you today how you can make them with your CRICUT. It's very important that the lines for the foil, that you need to set them on foil and not on cut like I do here. And you can choose fine, medium or bold. So make sure you have all the lines you want to foil put on foil, but you need to do an extra step as well, and that is make sure you attach the foil lines on the right layer. If you don't do that, then it will foil on nothing. I will show you here. Like here, you should have only had 2 mats, but I have 3, so I forgot some lines to attach to the correct tags. Here you will see that I will attach them to the right layer, and when I've done that all, then we should have 2 cutting mats, because these tags are only built up in 2 layers. Now we're gonna check, and yes, we have 2 layers, and we do it on a mat, and you see this one are the top tags with the foil, and CRICUT does it very smart by first foiling your paper or your material, whatever, and then cutting it. See how beautiful it all came out, even the fill. I love this, and it's also very quick. These tags you can make within 5 minutes. You have 12 tags. It's just 2 mats. The foiling is what takes the longest. Now you only have to glue the 2 layers together with glue, or just a glue roller, or whatever you prefer. And in a real short amount of time you have perfect tags for your Valentine gifts, or for your small business to put with your products. They're very cute, and you can just make them for any occasion you like, of course, but these are specific. I made them for Valentine, but you can use them for weddings or anything like that. And I'm really in love with the foiling, so I will make a lot of more designs where you can use the foil tool, because it just gives a nice finish. It's just something different, and there are a lot of options you can use this foil tool with. So I hope you like this video, and if you like more of this kind of projects, and then I would appreciate it if you hit that like button and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Then you can be up to date when I post a new video. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.